a cleaning, friends. This is what I send to all new clients. It's called Confirming Your Cleaning. I kind of have to update it a little bit because I won again in 2024. Yay, award-winning, green certified cleaning business. But anyway, ignore that. I'm just proud of myself. You know how it is. It's hard work. And when you get noticed, you get happy. Anyway, every cleaning business should have a deposit. You should have a deposit in place. So I started implementing a deposit back in 2020 after a first-time client that actually never ended up being a client screwed me over, basically. She reached out, wanted cleaning. We go back and forth. I give her a quote. We set up a date. I send her my terms and conditions. Everybody should have terms and conditions too. Give her a date. She's like, yeah, perfect. Okay, I will reconfirm as it gets closer. A week before I text her, hey, just confirming. Hadn't heard anything back. And I'm like, okay. Couple days go by. Hey, just reconfirming. I'm coming there, whatever, Wednesday, whatever. Nothing. The day before, hey, just want to confirm. Everything okay for tomorrow? Nothing. She lived only a few minutes away. I said, you know what? I'm just going to drive by and make sure this person didn't move. Or, scam. Because there are people that try to scam you and tell you, oh, I want a cleaning, and then nothing ever happens. So I drove by. There was cars in the driveway, lights on, people home. And I'm like, well, that's weird. So I physically called. No answer. Hung up. Back, she texted back. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just got busy with work. I can't make tomorrow's cleaning. So we went back and forth. We're trying to get a different date. And I never heard back from her again. And that was it. Because you know what? If you can't respect my time as a person and as a business owner, why should I respect yours? I am physically coming to you. I need to know that you're serious as a client. And you know how I'm going to know? By money. Money. I'm not going to a doctor's office. I'm going to your home. Okay? So how am I to know that you're serious about the cleaning? And if you're going to give me the runaround, that day that I had set for her could have gone to somebody else, and I would have actually worked that day instead of being home now that day with nothing to do. I did other stuff around my house, but I didn't get paid because she had that date. I held it for her. I reserved it for her. And then boom, bailed at the last second. And the only reason was because I was making the effort to be like, is everything okay? Like, what if I had shown up that day at 8 a.m. and she would have been like, oh, I'm at work, or like nobody was home because they're working. Like, that's not fair to a service provider. So after that day, deposit. And look, within 3 days, if we talk today on a Monday and you're like, yes, book me, I love you, I want you, you better pay the deposit no later than Wednesday. And if you don't pay the deposit, you will not get your day booked. I'll give it to somebody else. I don't care. And then if you call me the day before the date that you thought was going to be your cleaning, no, because you didn't pay the deposit. Deposit. Don't be scared of having a deposit for your cleaning business. Don't be. Do not be scared. Because you know what? I'm not selling tchotchkes at a yard sale. I'm not haggling for $2 or take 50 cents off or 10% off a t-shirt. I'm running a legitimate tax-paying business that I have to buy supplies and expenses, and I don't get paid if I don't work. So you guys need to implement a deposit policy. And if you actually want the form, I have it on my Etsy. Check out my Etsy shop. You can get it on there and lots of other forms. I have my terms and conditions you can print out. I have a pet policy. I have a confirming your cleaning policy. I have my cancellation policy. I have my income tracker, my expense tracker, my supplies. A lot of things that you can use for your cleaning business. A lot. So check out my Etsy and get yourself your deposit locked in tight. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.